Kindergartners, it's Mrs. Hamsh again with the Friday Science lesson. So I have some leftover Peep candies and I wanted to do a science experiment with them. I want to see what happens if I put a Peep in water, a Peep in vinegar, and a Peep in sparkling water for 1 hour. I wanted to find out what happens. So today we're going to do it together. As you see here, I have my Peeps. I have my plain water, my vinegar, and my bubbly, which is sparkling water. I'm going to put a Peep into this one, into this bowl, and here. The first thing I want to do is pour the water over the Peep. Oh, it's floating. Next thing, I'm going to put the vinegar. And then the soda, or the sparkling water. Put a little bit more. Okay, so I'm going to set my timer for 1 hour, and then we're going to come back and see what happens. Stay tuned. Okay, kindergartners, it's been exactly 1 hour. Let's take a peek at our Peeps. All right, here they are after 1 hour. This one is the one that was in water. Something that I noticed is that the water actually turned purple. Interesting. And look, the purple has turned to white. Let's look at the vinegar. The vinegar one, not much happened there. Yeah, the bottom part is really white, kind of like the water. And now the sparkling water, whoa, what is going on? There's lots of purple bubbles. And instead of the bottom being white like the other two liquids, this one actually stayed purple and it even has like purple line around it. Let's take out the first one, which is the water. We're gonna do a squish test with this one. And I made sure to label them so we know which one we're touching. All right, squishy, let me tell you. Whoa, look how squishy that is. Okay, so definitely squishy. Look at the back. Definitely squishy, but still kind of firm. Let's see about the vinegar. Okay, the vinegar, wow. Oh, way more firmer than the water, but I notice that it's leaving like a foam. That's interesting. But yeah, this one's firmer than the water one. Come on, get off my fork. Okay, now let's try the sparkling water one. Oh, I could hear it bubbling and fizzing. Let's do the squish test. Let's see what's gonna happen. Ooh, squishy. Squishy, but still really firm, like firmer than the other. It's white on the back. And it's really sticky. But so far, out of the three, this one is the squishiest one, the slimiest one, the softest one. So let's look at the water that they were in. Let's talk about the water. So this one definitely got purple. The vinegar, not so much. And I know you guys can see those purple bubbles in the sparkling water. That's really interesting. So with the water, that turned the most purple. Thank you, friends, for watching my science experiment video. I hope you enjoyed it. And like I said, if you have some Peeps laying around, definitely give it a try. You could probably do it with marshmallows too. And you can even try different liquids. For example, I don't know, maybe some soda, like if you had some Sprite or some other soda. Apple juice is another great experiment liquid. But yeah, you can pretty much try any time frame. I did an hour, but some people have tried this experiment, leaving them in there for 2 days, and it's pretty interesting to see those results. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll be seeing you later. Until next time, bye-bye, kindergartners.